Good morning, dear viewers. Welcome to our today's session of online maths classes for Standard 5. Today we will begin with our lesson number 2, that is number work. In the last lesson we had seen Roman numerals and exercises on Roman numerals. Today we will start with number work. As you have learned to read and write numbers in the decimal system using the 10 digits from 0 to 9, so today we will just revise our concept and we will see the problem set 2. Before starting this chapter, you must know that what is decimal system. Decimal system is a system which includes 10 digits from 0 to 9. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we count these numbers from 0 to 9, that is exactly 10 digits. So that's why it is called as decimal system. So let us start with problem set 2 and revise our concept of numbers. So our first question is, using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, write 10 each of 2, 3, 4 and 5 digit numbers and read those numbers. Read the number. Okay, so let us begin. So problem set 2. Using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, write 10 each of 2, 3, 4 and 5 digit numbers and read the numbers. So 2 digit numbers, the numbers which are having 2 digits, 1, 2, 1, 2, only 2 digits are there. So first I have written 89, that is we will read it as 89, 90, NINETY 90, 57, 57 is 57, so 57, 61, 61, 72, 72, 98, 98, 76, 76 in words, 45, 45, 25, 25, 17, 17. Okay, now next 3 digit numbers, 100, 152, that is 152, 789, 789, 999, 999, 759, 759, 896, 896, 777, 777, 103, 103, 845, 845, 333, 333. Like this way you can write any 10 3-digit numbers. Okay, next is 4-digit number, 1524, that is 1524, 7986, that is 7986, 5555, that is 5555, 3214, that is 3214, 1111, 1111, 6892, that is 6892, 5105, that is 5105. Okay, 8889, that is 8889, 6776, that is 6776, 9999, 9999. Okay, again we are having 5-digit numbers, reading and writing. Okay, here we will write numbers, here we will write in words. 89534, that is 89,534, 96723, that is 96,723, 77777, that is 77,777, 12345, that is 12,345, 57530, 57,530, 66733, that is 66,733, 44532, that is 44,532, 86978, that is 86,000, 978. Okay, next is 63425, that is 63,425. 89215, 89,215. Okay, so this was our question number 1. So our next example is filling the blanks. So on the left side we have been given with Devanagari numerals. In the center we have to write the international numerals. On the right hand side we have to write the number in words. Okay, so first blank is, this is 32756. So we will write 32756, and when it is read we will read it as 32,756. Okay, then we have been given here 67859, so that we will write in Devanagari numerals, that is 67859. Okay, that is 67,859. Okay, then 1034, so we will write it as 1034, that will be read as 1034. Then we are having 27895, that is 27,895, so we will write it as 27,895, 27895. Here also we will write in Devanagari numerals 27895. So this was our question number 2. So our next question is, as a part of Avoid Plastic project, Zilla Parishad schools made and provided paper bags to provision stores and greengrocers. Read the taluka wise numbers of the bags and write the number in words. So Kopargaon is given at 12,740, Shevgaon is given 28,095, Karjat is given as 31,608, and Sangamner is given as 10,972. What we have to do, we have to read out these numbers. So we have read out these numbers and we have to write the number in words. So I have written down the solution. Okay, so that is 12,740, 12,740. Next is Shegao, that is 28,095, so 28,095. Next is Karjat, that is 31,608, 31,608. Next is Sangamner, that is 10972, that is 10,972, that is 10,972. So this was question number 3. Next is question number 4. How many rupees do they make? Question number 1 is 20 notes of 1000 rupees, 5 notes of 100 rupees, and 14 notes of 10 rupees. So we will see question number 4, first one. It is 20 notes of 1000 rupees, 5 notes of 100 rupees, and 14 notes of 10 rupees. So 20 notes of 1000 rupees, 20 into 1000 makes 20,000. 5 notes of 100 rupees, 5 into 100 makes 500. 14 notes of 10 rupees, that is 14 into 10, that is 140. And if we add this together, 20,500 and 140, 20,500 and 140, we get the answer as 20,640. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4, 4, 0, 5, 1 gives 6, 0, 0, 2, 2. So this will be 20640, that is 20,640. Okay, next question. 15 notes of 1000 rupees, 12 notes of 100 rupees, 8 notes of 10 rupees, and 5 coin of 1 rupee. So 15 notes of 1000 rupees, that is 15 into 1000 gives us 15,000. 12 notes of 100 rupees, 12 into 100 gives us 1200 rupees. 8 notes of 10 rupees, 8 into 10, that is 80 rupees. 5 coins of 1 rupee, 5 into 1, 5 rupees. And when we add this together, this will be 15,000 plus 1200 plus 80 plus 5, it gives us 16,285. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 0 plus 8, 8, 0 plus 2, 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 1, 1. So this gives us 16,285. So this was our fourth question. Question number 5 and 6 we will see in the next lesson. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.